Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you which trim level to choose. Typical trims vary by market, include Sport, Progressive, AMG Line and models with Premium Plus packs. Best value is mid-spec AMG Line, Progressive with Premium pack. Gets you navigation, good LED lights, camera, decent audio and comfort kit. Top packs at panoramic roof, better sound, HUD, more ADAS features. Choose if price difference is small. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.